Hey guys, in this video we're going to discuss the perfect signal for the ray retracement system. Yes, we're finally putting it all together and we're giving you the start of the ray retracement system. Now for this, what we need is the ray trend, the ray trader itself, and the ray MACD entry. So let's head to the charts and see the perfect signals. First of all, we're going to start with the perfect buy signal. So this ray retracement system is a counter trend signal. So what we need to do, first we need to look at the ray trend and make sure that it's pushing down. So that means it's creating lower lows. Then we draw the ray line from the highs. We connect as many highs as possible, not just wicks, but bodies of candles as well. We got to make sure that this trend line was hit multiple times. Then we wait for a break above the trend line and a retracement to the mid band. That's very important. It has to retrace to the mid band or at least one tick from the mid band. Then it needs to retrace back down. And as it's retracing back down, it needs to touch the line and touch the bottom zone as well. Yes, like that. And then we either wait for a MACD cross, or if the MACD has already crossed, we wait for a green candle. It's very important that we only enter longs on a green candle. Now, there's a few particularities to this. If price touches the midband, so the close of that bar that lets us enter touches the midband, then the trade is nullified. Because this is a counter trend system, if it hits the midband, that means most of our move has been exhausted because we're either looking for a retracement or a complete turn. But if it's a retracement, then the retracement's gonna be somewhere in between the mid band and the top band for a buy. So that's why we don't want to enter from the mid band, because most of our move was already exhausted. Last particularity is that the retracement that breaks the trend line needs to completely detach from the trend line. That means at least 3 candles, and it has to be more than a couple or a few ticks. That's very, very important, because if it doesn't completely detach, that means it's still driving down. So even if it crosses the trend line, it's still not completely detached, so that means the drive is still going. Now for a sell signal, it's the complete inverse of what I just talked about. So price needs to push the upper band up. We need to draw a trend line from the lows of the previous moves. Then we need to break that trend line, retrace back to the middle, as we said, and again, the break is a few candles. Then needs to retrace back and hit the top band, hit our trend line. Then from there, we wait for a MACD cross, which gives us an entry signal. And from that entry signal, if it's not in the mid band or it doesn't touch the mid band, then we enter short. So that's it really for the entry signal. Please, as always, grab 30 to 45 minutes and try to find these entry signals on your chart. Repetition is the mother of all skill. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like its content, then please hit the like and subscribe buttons on YouTube, share it to your social media, follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome rest of your day until then.